For a clean final surface, after patching with coal tar mix, compact the patch fully and finish the top layer while the mix is still pliable. Work the compacting in stages using a hand tamper or a weighted plate compactor when space allows, applying firm, even pressure until the mix no longer moves under the tool. For the topmost few millimeters, use a wet stamper or a small flat steel plate, kept slightly damp so the mix does not stick. Press straight down and lift. Do not drag. If a stamped texture is not desired, immediately smooth the area with a clean steel trowel or a straight edge, flat board held at a low angle and pulled toward you in overlapping passes to eliminate ridges. Always keep a small bucket of water and a rag to wipe the tool frequently so it leaves a clean finish rather than smearing loose aggregate. After compaction is complete and the surface has set just enough to hold form, sweep off any loose bits with a stiff broom, then lightly mist the patch to minimize dust and help bonding at the edge to existing pavement. Work in thin layers rather than one thick lift. Each layer should be compacted and finished so the final surface is dense and matches the surrounding plane. The most common mistake is under-compaction, which leaves the repair prone to settlement and raveling, so compact until there is no movement and add another thin layer rather than forcing more mix in one lift. Another frequent issue is leaving the top layer rough because tools are dry or overloaded, so keep stampers and trowels slightly wet and clean between passes to achieve a smooth finish. A third problem is allowing loose aggregate or dust to remain on the surface before finishing, which prevents a cohesive top. So sweep clean after compaction and before any final smoothing, and remove any loose particles with the broom or a blower. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and allow contractors to find work by posting their services and availability. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and compare techniques so our users learn from real experiences.